After viewing the tour of this fine home, please call Pam at 941-993-3388 to schedule a private showing or to ask any questions you may have. Superior walkability from this 2017 built 2-bed, 2-bath condo with terrace, overlooking Lemon and Pineapple Streets in the heart of downtown Sarasota. A light and bright residence with high ceilings, beautiful wood flooring and a modified floor plan. The kitchen offers 42 wood cabinets with crown, under cabinet lighting and granite tops. The master has a nice-sized walk-in closet and en-suite bath. Soak in the city life below on your private terrace accessed from both the master suite or living room. Only 5 units per floor, secure entry and elevator, plus an assigned parking space, right outside the door, on the same level as the apartment. Don't want to cook? You have a great selection of fine eateries such as Hyde Park Steak House, Boca, and Brick Smoked Meats literally steps away. Leave your car and enjoy a plethora of art and cultural venues, fine dining, and boutique shops. Whole Foods, a weekly farmers market and our beautiful Bayfront with marina are all just a short stroll away. Whether you are looking for a full-time downtown condo, a pied-a-terre or a winter getaway, you must visit 1500 State Street. HOA fees are $372 per month and include water and sewer. Pet-friendly and 1-month minimum rental policy. Schedule your private showing today.